Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find web design and development tutorial section. In web design and development tutorial section, you find jQuery tutorials playlist. If you click on view full playlist, you find all my jQuery tutorials where I am explaining jQuery in depth and step by step guys. In this video, I would like to discuss jQuery browser events. We have different browser events, like we have error event, we have resize event, we have ready event, we have scroll event. We are talking about ready and scroll events. Ready event is executed after our web page is completely loaded guys. Consider the internet speed is slow and we have more content in our web page. We know that definitely it takes more time to load, right? Before loading the content, we cannot select the HTML elements and do some actions on them using jQuery. First, the web page should completely load. Then with the help of jQuery, we can select the HTML elements and do some actions on them. So any action that you do on the HTML elements with the help of jQuery, that jQuery code should go here because the page should get load first and then do the actions on the HTML elements, right? So it is recommended to write dynamic codes like JavaScript, jQuery in the callback function of this ready event guys. Let's have a demo and understand. I minimize everything. I right click on default.html page, say open with the notepad. You can see that default.html page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to jQuery browser events and there's a paragraph. I minimize it. I right click on default.html page, say open with the Google Chrome. You can see that default.html page is open in the Chrome. Title is set to jQuery browser events and there's a paragraph text. I go here and say dollar in brackets document dot ready. So I am telling once the document is ready, you execute this callback function. So this is a place where you select the HTML elements in jQuery and do some actions guys. It is recommended to write here. At present, simply I'll say here alert, and in double quotations I say document is ready. If I save it, go to browser and reload, immediately you get document is ready displayed here in the alert box. Because we have less content, we just have one paragraph, that's it. So it is loading so fast. If you have more content, if internet speed is slow, then it takes more time to load. After the web page is completely loaded, then this callback function is executed guys. Understanding? Okay, I'm going to delete this. Next we have the scroll event. Scroll event is executed while you scroll the page. Okay, while you are scrolling the page, the scroll event is triggered. So anything you write in this callback function is executed while you are scrolling the page guys. Now what I do here, I am going to use some BR so that we can create a scrollable page. I copy this and paste down. I copy this and paste few times. So now we have a scrollable page. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see that we got the scroll bar and we can scroll this page. Okay, now what I do, this first paragraph I fix it here. So for that I am going to give an ID to this as first P, and then I take help of CSS here, opening style tag, closing style tag, and then I say here type is equal to text or CSS. Then I say here hash first P. I am selecting the HTML element whose ID is set to first P. So this HTML element ID is set to first P. I am selecting it and I say its position should be fixed in the browser. From left edge of the browser it should be 0 pixels away. From top edge of the browser it should be 0 pixels away. So if I save it, go to browser and reload, paragraph text, this first paragraph is fixed here. So if I scroll the page, you can see that everything is scrolling except our first P. Now here I want to display the scroll bar position guys. I want to display the scroll bar position. So if it is here 0 pixels, so if it is going down, then the distance increases, right? So let's see now what I do here. I am going to take help of the jQuery. So we know that this function is going to execute when you scroll the page. So here first I target this paragraph. So I simply say here dollar in brackets, in double quotations, I say hash first first p. I am telling select the HTML element whose ID attribute value is set to first p. So this HTML element ID attribute value is set to first p. Its text should be, I am setting the text here. What should be the text? I am going to say here scroll bar position. I want to display the scroll bar position. So for that we will be using $document dot scroll top. So there is a function called scroll top, guys. It gives you the scroll bar position in the document. So if I save it, go to browser and reload, and if I start scrolling, you see that it is displaying the scroll bar position. Scroll bar position 14 pixels. So if I move it down, you can see it is changing dynamically, right? While scrolling, the scroll function is getting executed here. So this callback function is getting called. First p text, it is setting scroll bar position and it is giving us the scroll bar position, guys. So that is about the scroll event. In the same way, we have resize event. If you are resizing the browser, the resize event is triggered and anything you put in the callback function, that is executed, guys. So you try it yourself. Okay, so you try it yourself. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about jQuery in depth and step by step. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.